Group discussion topics covered in this video are post-COVID world and biomedical waste crisis. Topic 1: Post-COVID world. COVID-19 changed the way we live, learn, and work. Some changes are temporary, but some changes will stay. Post-COVID world will not be the same as the world before the pandemic. So there are many discussions worldwide on how the post-COVID world will be and should be. The world after the COVID-19 pandemic. The lack of a strong healthcare system resulted in the loss of many lives in the time of COVID. So all the countries realized the importance of a strong healthcare system and are taking steps to make it happen. Social distancing and hygiene practices will be continued by the majority of people in the post-COVID world. COVID may become seasonal and may be treated as the normal flu until all are vaccinated and it is completely eliminated. The world will be very alert if any new virus is detected. Immediate steps will be taken worldwide to prevent future pandemics. There will be more work from home jobs. At present, most of the work from home jobs are demanding 24/7 availability. This is making employees exhausted. So, new rules may come to achieve a work-life balance. How the post-COVID world should be. During the lockdown, people understood that the negative effect of humans on the environment can be reversed. So, working on sustainable development can make the post-COVID world a much better place to live in. The urban areas became hotspots of COVID because of the higher population density in urban areas. Post-COVID world should have better employment opportunities in rural areas. Conclusion: some changes that the COVID pandemic brought are irreversible. Along with those changes, we need to bring more changes, such as protecting the vulnerable people, to create a more inclusive and equal society. Topic 2: Biomedical waste crisis. What is biomedical waste? Any waste generated during the diagnosis, treatment, immunization, research pertaining thereto, production or testing of biologicals is called biomedical waste. COVID pandemic increased biomedical waste generation to a large extent. In view of COVID-19, biomedical waste can be personal protective equipment, including goggles, face shield, mask, gloves and laboratory waste. Current challenges on biomedical waste crisis. When the biomedical waste is not properly segregated from the originating points, it causes a domino-like effect on the environment, which proves dangerous to human beings, animals, as well as soil and water sources. Improper segregation and disposal of biomedical waste can lead to the contamination of groundwater sources, which then consumed by humans and animals can cause serious infections. As per the Central Pollution Control Board, 616 tons of biomedical waste was being generated per day in 2019. Now, as of 2021, it is estimated that 146 tons of additional biomedical waste, due to COVID diagnosis, testing and treatment is being added every day. Guidelines for COVID-19 related biomedical waste and its disposal. As per the guidelines for quarantine facility COVID-19, issued by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, biomedical waste is to be bifurcated in 4 streams. Eye protection goggles, plastic vials, recyclable materials like pens, plastic water bottles and bed sheets are to be kept in red bins. Sharp waste, including metals, is to be discarded in white bins. Glassware, tube light, CFL bulbs, LED used in quarantine facility, are to be kept separately in a cardboard box marked blue. Used personal protective equipment, mask, gloves, shoe covers, head covers and disposable bed sheets is to be discarded in a yellow bin. Guidelines for disposal of COVID-19 waste also applies to COVID-19 patients quarantining at home. Conclusion: more investment and human resources are needed to handle the increasing biomedical waste. Effective management of biomedical waste is very essential to ensure a cleaner environment and healthy humans.